Director Devraj asked me, and in my company, nobody is taking any new initiatives. How can I improve this situation? Then I asked Manager Magesh, why you are not focusing on improvement activities? Then Mr. Magesh told me, Anand, I am already focusing on the day-to-day operations. How can I find time to go and improve anything? Right. So this is the case with most of the manufacturing companies. People don't find time to do the improvement activities or Kaizens. So how can we change this? So in a company, who is responsible for implementing Kaizen? Who are the people who should maintain the existing standards and systems? That's what we are going to find out. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anand, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner. And in this video, we are going to learn about the various levels of people in a company and how they are connected to improvements or managing the existing standards. So in the book called Gemba Kaizen, Mr. Masaki Imai is giving a very clear example of who should do the improvement and who should focus on maintaining the existing systems. For example, in this image, if you see workers, right? Workers, the majority of the time is going for maintaining the existing standards and systems, and only 10 to 20% for the improvement activity. But you go one level up, the supervisors, the time given for improvement increases and the time given for maintenance reduces. So let us take 40% to another 60%. Then one level up, we have middle management, where the improvement takes more time, right? They have to spend more than 60% of the time for improvement and less than 40% for maintenance. But if you go to the top management, more than 80% should focus on improvements and only 20% for existing standards and systems. Meaning the top management and the middle management should put more efforts on improvements rather than running the day-to-day activities. And the workers and supervisors, they will be focusing more on the day-to-day activity, maintaining the standard systems, work instructions, etc. If you are asking more improvement activities from the workers, they will not be able to find time because they are going to focus on the day-to-day operations, and they can only spend like 10 to 15% of the time in improvement activity. So gradually the time spent for improvement should increase. The moment a person goes from one level to another level, that's what we learned from this particular image. In fact, Mr. Masaki Imai goes one step ahead and he also classifies the improvement into 2 points. That is innovation and Kaizen. Kaizen, we all know, is a small improvement done on a very consistent manner. And here he terms innovation as something which is very radical. It may require a different technology, it may require a different expenditure, etc. So he actually categorizes improvement into 2 categories, that is innovation and Kaizen. And if you look at the same image again, the workers and supervisors, there are no change. Workers will spend more time for maintenance and less time for Kaizen. Supervisors, the Kaizen time will increase, but the moment it reaches middle management, they have to spend some time for innovation, right? And they also have to spend time for Kaizen and time for maintenance. That when you go to the top management, they have to equally split their time between innovation and Kaizen, and finally a little bit of time for maintenance activities. So again, when you go up the ladder, the time spent for innovation increases, Kaizen increases, and the time for maintenance reduces. Okay. This is what we can learn from Mr. Masaki Imai on who should do the improvement activities, who should do the maintenance activities, etc. When I explained this to Manager Magesh, he says, Anand, every day I am focusing more on maintenance activity. How can I spend time for improvement? Then I asked him to create a daily work management. What are the activities he should do every day? I asked him to list it down and also allocate a time for each activity. And surprisingly, he found that majority of the time is spent on routine activities, things like follow-up activities, etc. Those things he can reduce, right? Or he can plan in a better way so that he can spend time for improvement activities. As a manager, he should at least spend 2 hours every day for improvement activities. Right? That's what we have discussed, and he finally said, okay, I will try. If you are a part of middle management and you are not able to find time for improvement, just go back to your day-to-day activities, list that activities, and find out what are the activities which are taking more time. Are you spending more time for improvement? Or are you spending more time for the day-to-day activities? Can you plan and organize your activities in such a way that you can spend at least 2 hours per day for improvement activities? That will be a very good initiative from your side, and you'll be able to do a lot of improvements in your company also. And you can also subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you'll get a notification. If you want to learn more about lean manufacturing and shop floor management, our courses will be of great help to you. I have given the link of those courses in the description. You can check them out. More than 2,000 people have taken the courses and they have a very good understanding of the shop floor management now. And we get a lot of good feedback about the courses. So thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.